Hello, wonderful learners, and welcome to our magical alphabet adventure. Are you ready to learn your letters and the sounds they make? Let's get started with the very first letter. A is for apple. Can you say ah, ah, ah? That's the short sound. Now let's try the long sound. A is for ape. A, A. Fantastic. Next up is B. B is for ball. Let's bounce that sound together. B. You're a natural. Great job. Here comes C. C is for cat. Let's make the hard C sound. Meow. But wait, C has a secret soft sound too. Like in circle. Let's hiss it. S, s, s. Amazing. Let's meet D. D is for dog. Wag your tail and say it with me. D. Woof, woof. You've got it. Time for our second vowel, E. E is for elephant. Let's say the short sound. Eh. And what about the long E sound? E is for eagle. Let's soar and say E. Feeling fishy? F is for fish. Put your teeth on your bottom lip and blow. Feel that little tickle? That's the F sound. Let's go to G. G is for goat. Can you make the hard G sound? G. G also has a soft sound like in giraffe. Let's try it. J. Giraffe. You're doing so well. What's this? H is for hat. Let's breathe out a happy sound. Put your hand in front of your mouth and feel the air. Brr, it's getting chilly. I is for igloo. Let's say the short I sound. Igloo. Now for the long I sound, like in ice. Let's say ice. Wonderful. Ready to get active? J is for jump. Let's hop like a jelly bean and say J. Jump. Look up in the sky. K is for kite. Let's make a windy K sound. High in the sky. Keep it going. Who's the king of the jungle? L is for lion. Let's make a soft, roaring L sound. You sound just like a friendly lion cub. M is for moon. Let's hum the M sound like we're tasting yummy milk. Deliciously done. Look in the tree. N is for nest. Let's make a nice and neat N sound. Now you're talking. Let's dive into the ocean. O is for octopus. Let's make a round O shape with our mouths and say ah. Now for the long O sound, like in the word open. Open. You're an O expert. Oink, oink. P is for pig. Let's pop some P sound bubbles. Put your lips together and pop. Perfect. Here comes royalty. Q is for queen. The Q sound is special. It's quick and quiet. Qua. You've got it. Look, a rainbow. R is for rainbow. Let's roll our sound like a racing rocket. Vroom. Feel the warmth? S is for the sun. Let's hiss like a happy snake. S, s, s. Superb. Slow and steady. T is for turtle. Tap your tongue right behind your teeth for that tiny T sound. T, t, t. Terrific. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. U is for umbrella. Let's make the short U sound. But look, a magical long U, like in unicorn. You. You're unbelievable. Can you hear that music? V is for violin. Let's feel our lips vibrate with the V sound. V. Very, very good. Splish, splash. W is for whale. Let's wave hello with a wonderful W sound. W. Wow. Are you ready for our final letters? Let's jump right in. Our first letter is X. Can you make a X sound with me? Like in xylophone? X, X, X. X marks the music spot. Awesome. Next up is the letter Y. It makes a Y sound like in yo-yo. Let's say it together. Yeah. Say yeah, yay. You are doing so great. And for our very last letter, it's Z. Z makes a buzzing Z sound, just like a zebra. Let's buzz together. Z, Z, Z. You did it. You reached the end. Fantastic job, superstar. You've practiced all your alphabet sounds from A to Z. Keep saying them every day. And watch your words grow stronger and your reading soar higher.